So you may have seen the paintings of Tibetan mandalas. This is like town planning according to Le Corbusier. It means it's all straight lines. It's very clear. You know, when they were reorganizing Paris in the middle of the 19th century, they knocked down so many traditional buildings in order to have very straight highways. Rational city planning. So the mandala has a middle section and 4 side sections. They are each different colors. Everything is in its proper place. If you have an obsessional disposition, this will be very reassuring for you. When you walk out in the fields, the paths are going here and there. You walk around the tree. You stand on a rock and it starts to roll, so you have to bend. That is to say, life is not like a mandala. The mandala is an artificial organization of information. Life is chaotic. So in Dzogpa Chimbo, our mandala is not straight line. Our mandala is how it is. It's a bit of a mess. Yes, that's how it is. Shouldn't we organize it? Does the mess disturb you? Would it be better if it was straight line? It's like this. So we could do it. We start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You each get a number. And when we come to meal time, our translator is going to be calling out the numbers. Wait till you're called. Then in a quiet, orderly manner, go forward, pick up the tray and proceed. You will come when your number is called. No need for anxiety. Not much fun. But you will know in advance how it is. You will be imposing a conceptual order on the happenstance of life. So here he's saying, when you're sitting in the práctica, stay with the happenstance. Stay with the not knowing and see. Don't go looking for order. Don't go looking for meaning. It is as it is. So this is the essential thing. In Tantra, they are bringing an ordering of the mind so that it will know what to do. So according to Tantra, every form you see is the luminous body of the deity. Every sound is the mantra. Every thought that arises is the mind of the deity. That's a transformation. Now you know what it is, what it really is. But it doesn't look like that. So you have to keep transforming the irregularities of ordinary experience into the regularities of the mandala. So don't ring your bell at the wrong time. Pick up your drum and go tap-a-tap-a-tap-a-tap, then stop. If you go into a monastery, you see choreography. People have been rehearsing and rehearsing. I've watched these videos of all these nuns in Tibet. They're doing chöd with a very big drum. And they lift it up and they turn exactly at the same time. Pom, 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 pom. Wow. Why? Why would you do that? Maciej Labaran says, go out in the cemetery in the night. Go to the places that terrify you. We're all doing church, we're all doing church, ting-a-ling, we are heroic, we are very brave, ting-a-ling-a-ling. Life is a mess, but it's wonderful as it is.
Es maravillosa tal como es.
Each moment is just less. beautiful moments, terrifying moments. And he says again and again, don't make it artificial. You can rehearse for a performance, but you can't rehearse for life. Because life is tumbling along. Dzogchen is concerned with the intrinsic clarity of stumbling, of fumbling, of mumbling.
You want to try me?
It's your exam. Let's take a break.
Vamos a hacer una pausa.